Hello and welcome back. This is Julie with A Good Stir. Today I will be making Greek stuffed zucchini. Be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on my future videos. Now, let's get started. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut the ends off each zucchini and then in half lengthwise. Scoop out the pulp of each zucchini, leaving about a 1/4 inch border for each shell. Be sure to save the pulp, we will be adding that later. Mince or chop 3 garlic cloves. Add your ground beef to a skillet over medium-high heat and cook until browned. Break the beef up into smaller pieces as it cooks. Add half a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Now you can add your minced garlic and cook that for about 1 minute. Add 1 cup of shredded Monterrey Jack cheese. And mix the cheese and beef together well. Add half a cup of feta cheese and 1 teaspoon of dried basil. Mix this all together really well and then add the zucchini pulp. Break the zucchini pulp up with a spatula or wooden spoon and incorporate into the meat mixture. Place the zucchini shells into a baking dish and fill each with the meat mixture. Cover with foil and bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until the zucchini is tender. Top each zucchini with the remaining feta cheese. Now is the fun part, let's plate these zucchinis. These are a huge hit in my household, and I hope that you will give this recipe a try. I promise you won't be disappointed. As always, thank you for watching. I hope you will like and subscribe and come back for more easy and delicious recipes.